Welcome to our week number 7 assignment video. And so for this week, our primary assignment is the creation of this literature review. So what you'll be doing for this assignment is you'll be locating 8 academic peer-reviewed journal articles. So we are looking for peer-reviewed journal articles, and you're all very familiar from your time in the program what constitutes a peer-reviewed journal article. These are articles that are reviewed on a blind refereed process, reviewed by multiple reviewers prior to their publication in the journal. You probably already know that as you search the electronic databases, you can search for only peer-reviewed journals to help you isolate your search down to just these peer-reviewed journal articles. So you're going to locate 8 academic peer-reviewed journal articles. 2 of those articles should deal with employee-friendly policies. 2 of those should deal with managing generations. 2 of those will deal with appraisals, and 2 of those will deal with unions and negotiations. In step 2, you'll be creating an annotated bibliography style paper. So even though we're calling this a literature review, it's going to look and feel a lot more like an annotated bibliography. You'll use an APA title page, and then you'll include references of the articles that you found. Then in between each one of your citations, you will summarize the following. What topic in the textbook did the article cover? You'll provide a few sentences about the topic that you learned from the book, explaining it in your own words. How did the article elaborate on the concept, and what insights did you gain from the article? So again, it's not technically a literature review. It's not technically an annotated bibliography, but we're kind of using the annotated bibliography style in putting this paper together. So you should have a properly formatted APA title page. Please be sure the title on the paper meets APA requirements. Ensure proper formatting on the title page. Make sure all your in-text citations or references are in APA format. Clearly note each of the 4 requirements for each of the entries in the order listed, and note which category each article is in. For example, employee-friendly policies, managing generations, etc. So this is essentially an annotated bibliography style paper. So you'll have the title page, and then for each of your citations, you'll provide the citation, then an annotation that talks about what topic the article covered, a few sentences about the topic that you learned from the book, how did the article elaborate on that concept, and what insights did you gain from the article. Then you'll move on to your second article, do the same thing, and do that then for each one of your 8 articles. So that is your literature review / annotated bibliography assignment for this week. And then you'll also, as always, be working away on your critical assignment. We gave a preview of the critical assignment last week, and so you know what you're doing in terms of that critical assignment. So hopefully you'll be working on that, putting some finishing touches on that. And then that critical assignment, that final paper, will then be due by Friday of next week, week number 8. Any questions about this assignment, feel free to reach out and contact me. Otherwise, have a good week, and I'll talk to you next week in our final week, week number 8.